start move bad mind or whatever. So I unfollow her, I not deal with her, I not talk to her. So somebody must ask me about her for the life. So I make them know the truth, I unfollow her, I not deal with her. She go send Cheese one video and say, she not like how me I talk about her on the internet and whatever, me disrespect her, me class her. I don't know where she get that from, call no, me not class her and this her. When I look, mama go live, she said she go fight me. Thank you, Betty Boo, baby. She said she go fight me. She can't wait for fight, but she can't wait for done me. She started creating this big scene on the media. Still, me still never have no problem. Me still say me I go to New York because I know me she come fight and me and twip in a boxing. After must ask Cheese if he would have fight Tracy. Cheese say yes. Tracy say yes. When you look, she over on her page, she start make problem with Cheese. I say, me no want fight with her, so that's why we put on Cheese. Remember, say me and this woman in a fighting, now me and twip, me don't know about me and she for going a boxing. Or I don't know, and me and twip in a boxing fight. Me and twip agree. When you look stand on her live again and she talk about what she gonna do, and blah blah blah, Cheese said she not go fight with Tracy and whatever. So I say, no, I'm not go bother going to New York then. So it is not me and twip is the problem, other crosses, girl. So from day one, I say, no, what? Cheese said she not fight with her, Cheese now go, me not go down there neither. And that's how it go. Point blank. Point blank. Well, and the worst thing about it, Blinger, nobody now come to see Tracy and nobody a fight. And me and twip the pan flyer, me and twip from the beginning to do what we are doing.
I think Ivany we never look for the bigger picture.
But all not only that, me still did I go going on. After me hear she talk about fight and whatever, because at the end of the day, Tracy cannot see me at the event and do me anything at the event. First thing first, Tracy can't let me come and run my knife in a Tracy. Tracy not gonna get the chance to lick me. One of the people that are gonna do the Tracy, them not gonna make the Tracy do me nothing. And even if so, Tracy still can't do me nothing. When she say no, so she say, oh, this I go and whatever, she not go neither. I say, no, I'm not go because I'm me, Cheese, and twip and somebody. And I think Tracy, we are gonna look somebody for Cheese before Tracy come in at the picture. And then she go link Arthur and say she want to come, but I know Tracy, I know Cheese she really want to fight, and me she want to fight, but I me and twip a boxing, not she. So when me say no, I'm going to go, see the woman me always left my son if I go away. The woman they know about the boxing between me and twip and whatever. I say, alright, she saw out Tracy and see everything what I go and do, so she not keep my pit if I go fight and get myself in a no problem. So me explain that to Arthur and say, you know what, me nah bother go. I guess if you all who we want to say Vany afraid and Vany coward, me glad me nah bother go neither, because you not get what you want. So you see what I want to do, you want to come pay on the money for come laugh and say Vany. Me glad so me nah bother go. So sorry for the inconvenience. If you don't want upset, yes Vany afraid, me coward. Yeah, me afraid, me nah go. Thank you. You won't have nothing to enjoy. Yeah. Sorry, me
to jump up again like a lot to your win. Where?
Blinger, I'm gonna tell you this, Blinger. You see, mindset when me a pre, Blinger, I'm not give a fuck when nobody wants to listen. You see, mindset when me a pre, for go to New York, for do a content. This is all about content. Right. Me not hold long nothing. Call up twip and ask twip if she have nothing against me, or if me have nothing against her. Me and twip not blood clot nothing. It was a friendly boxing. Right. But this girl you know, me not give a fuck if it. Me not care if it a mash up after business hour. Me and twip do not have anything. It's not. Me not come to the media come say me and twip not have nothing. Twip no need to come to the media neither. Just make people run with what them want to run with. She know it's a friendly battle. Me know we not have nothing. But Tracy a come with a different mindset. You see Tracy a come with me apply for buy a knife for Tracy. I'm not gonna make social media plus Tracy. Make nobody send me go to prison and dip me. Me not go Tracy depend on a different mindset. Like that. If Tracy just depend on a mindset, you can just box out or whatever fine. But Tracy mindset is different.
You're right, Ivany. May I tell you this?
Our mindset is different. Just if she did a think like twip.
Yeah.
Right. I don't know violence, nothing or whatever. I just come for boxing or whatever. Me would have still gone New York.
Betty Boo. Yes, me rate what you say. Me not blame your girl.
Mindset,
and then on top of that, look how Ivany look how she big. Eh?
Catch her upon her live at talk about. I lucky say she not go become with a hide my thing in it, and as we reach on the boxing, we just pop it out and give it to her. What kind of style that? What kind of style that?
I don't
so me know, if you make a girl stab me, you're gonna stab me and kill me. me dead and gone. And it can be the other way around, because I can buy my own thing to and stab you and
It's
kill you and
about
go to
no
prison.
more. We not get no more here.
So you see before me, and you see all of them social, them just want it. Me not have a problem if some go and top beat me up. Laugh with that because it's a boxing beat up. But me not go and make no girl kill me and then the same one
Me
come laugh
second
at
you.
the media. Or me gonna see something and them send me go to prison. It's all
Me second her.
He done kill his 6
me
members
agree with
for
Vaughn.
that run down
Me
violence.
second her. You know why? Because that's personal.
Yeah, you carry a
That's
grudge.
why I'm back
Me
out.
woulda fight Cheese. Me woulda
What
fight
make you feel like my back out?
Me woulda fight Bella.
Bella.
Cause me know say,
Me have something going on right now in my life. I want 6,500 people there. I'm not have to say it out loud. The girl know. So you see the violence so she a come with me can't do that no time at all right now. You
Bella,
understand me?
me
Yes,
Yes,
you practice setting
Bella,
up.
you see if me stab that
Just when
woman
me
there,
see
you know
that,
what the
me just
social
back
media
out.
do?
And then
When
check
man
and say
fight
run. Run your
big
blood
media,
clot
I
to
go
you. You
all
feel like
around
you
and
got
walk around and say, yeah man, a long time Vaughn if you get dip, a long time when if you send her down, a prison she forgot a long time. And that them want to laugh on the
that
media.
them
Me nah
want.
give them it.
Bonnie,
Me nah give them. Make them call me a coward. Make them call me say I'm afraid of her. Yes, I'm afraid of 12. Yes, I'm afraid of Tracy run with it. But me nah take up no arm, something that like me a ear and go play zero. No. Because from day one,
Exactly.
I was
Because
going
two
to New
thing,
York.
and no, that two thing no good. It's either you damage she or she damage you. You are gonna go jail or she gonna go jail, or you are gonna go jail or she gonna get hurt or whatever.
Nobody not
It's
go win.
all
It's gonna
good.
be a losing situation.
I
So
wouldn't even
let's
give a fuck when
Big man
nobody
like
wants
you,
to step on the
kill
media
it.
because what these
Mr. Bling
people
and Mr. Me not going down
don't
there to
go.
make them run with what them want to run with. The
Exactly.
lady we gonna keep ice, we always keep ice. Mama never have a problem when me I go New York to go do the boxing because she know. Basically from the woman to Tracy and see all of this, the man to Van Len, the woman make sure look for me and see you're wrong in her first place for evil. Even if you're friendly, you're wrong for evil. Accept it in her first place. For let your son go to New York go boy do boxing. Not even friendly boxing supposed to make you left your picnic go to New York. Say you go do boxing with people where you and them not talk. Because me not accept me and Tracy a fight. This woman just why you want to fight me so bad? Because you know say people don't like
grudge
say
you.
you hurt me, everybody can rejoice about it. Say yeah man that Vaughn forget because Vaughn never more. She know say me come with the more views and everything and me yeah come after no. Cause you
And
know say
Bonnie,
you want
you make a good decision and
nah,
righteous.
Vaughn
Don't
New
give a
York,
fuck
me no
who
care what
wants
them
to your
want say.
friend. Me second you, come gonna fucking go because that personal.
I set
Don't
up
care
that.
who
That's a
wants to
straight
your
She
set
me
up.
want
But
box
listen
up,
up,
put a
before
box up,
even
and
Vanny
that
says
the
so,
vibes that
all
she
the woman
depend.
come out, and when she press her live and come out, me say me not fight her, no, but just write a post and say, oh you come out like a Zeus Scarlet, so the way she happy, like you know somebody like a someone good
Nobody
at
can tell her say she fight with me. The woman run gun by her. Let me show you how the woman wicked. Bring her. Listen to me and tell me if this makes sense. It's when we did the bodies audition, whatever. We had do everything for promote. Cheese and make her video and promote. Me and make my video. If the woman that they have the boxing glove knowing her bodies and it come with fight, you know think they should have make 2 video with the
What you
boxing gloves
mean?
and post to make the people them repost her.
Yes,
And
yes,
she
you would.
hear about the boxing and know say me I go fight.
Run go
Nobody
buy
make
all
fight
gloves
her.
with a
She
big
run go buy
thing.
boxing and have on her page. She run go buy boxing gloves and up on her page and make video. I said she go fight me. I said body want to fight me. The woman hear me because me get the call. You see from me get the call. And the woman sister from the body start me and Cheese in the video. Watch it. Every clipboard the bodies will spot somewhere in it. She sees a tree there. And out I try with me show again for the last in the part 3. Me I show from first go down to the last. The woman I like that. When Spice people then call me, Spice people then call me and tell me so them are getting Tracy, them so them are getting me and Cheese get in, and that the woman tell me. Me know say me get in before them even start chewing, before people know this. Me just not talk it. Me get the call, me still not come talk it, and Tracy know everything and Tracy bad man. If I miss Tracy I move away blinger, me no go to her and talk to her, you know what me do? Me start post up Cheese. Cheese is my friend and me and Cheese got audition. Me don't know she. But at the end of the day, me still post her. One day now, Cheese not get the call, and me first get the call. I say, you know, I'm going to rep for Cheese and make everybody start post her same way. Tracy go sit and get up in her feelings. Tracy come in and me day my demand, because we make one group, me, Cheese
Right now
and
in the
Tracy.
Vanny, you have to start post, but me know Cheese on a platform, but you're one bigger, you know.
Just
Right now,
because you
you
see
have
me
to
just
start
post
post
Cheese
it.
for my story, I tell the
Come
people them
on,
to go
them
real
to see
talk
me.
Cheese.
Big
So I
and
said, no man, this
big,
coming like a, me
yeah.
no like how she a move Cheese. You know what me do? Mr. Cheese, me I go exit the group, you know, Cheese say right after you, me come out of the group. If me didn't come out, me have the voice note for sending me. Come out of the group, you know what me do to Blinger? Me never argue with her on the media, me unfollow her. Nobody on social media never know say me and Tracy have no. Me no come talk, say me and me no come class her or whatever. Me just unfollow her. The woman been know say me unfollow her. The woman no come try to talk to me. No, when I look her daughter unfollow me, so she tell her daughter to unfollow me. One day me and Cheese up on Instagram live. She says, Tracy, they want to come up, me go add Tracy. I said, no problem. You know, say, if I need add Tracy, I could come off her live or just not deal with her. I talk to her, coming people not even know, say, me and her nothing to owe me and her still a socialize. You see, through the can't speak now. And she said, she don't on it. She texts me in my DM. Ivany, you know, something
yeah, because she come off a week and she feel that you are going to get the attention. She going to get the attention
she thinks that she not going to get picked. You know why? Because Bobby posts her on his page itself about pussy gripper. So she thinks that she get through, no, so she never need me.
Pussy gripper? Research what is pussy gripper.
One time them pick a cast now, Blinger. I know Tracy want come. I know Tracy want come text me. Say, Vanya, you know, say, me not like this. So me did up on live. So I say, my girl, me not go text you. Me not go come off of my life and come text you in your DM. Company live. She send her a request, me add her, but it a spin it. Never did that add her. She go up on her live, she turn on her live, she start class me. And what me say, me never call her picnic cripple Blinger. The woman have a cripple picnic Blinger, right? Tell me if I'm wrong, the woman have a cripple can't want cripple. And every time the woman make a video, the woman bend up herself like she cripple with
like
lungs.
handicap. True.
She want to fight me. So I tell her, I said, the only person you're mocking is your child because I am not crippled and I's not crippled. So when you bend up yourself, your picnic go eat when you get bigger and see them video, because your picnic cripple like your picnic you mock. Where is the lie when I say in that? Because your picnic cripple, you have time for bend up and make video like that?
No, me love. I'm glad say you make
would
the
never do
decision.
that.
Never do it.
Me glad,
never
me
do
glad
that.
you make the decision not to go because this is personal and you don't need this. Van, let me tell you something. You go on good, you do good, you do okay. So you don't need them extra something, my love.
Me, them run it where them want run it in a Blinger. At the end of the day, Vanya always gonna be the top. Them not like me, them gonna always have the top. Make them see, you see majority of them, then just want to say, I not even beat up alone. If I did beat up alone, them want to me get it with the sabbat. Them want to me get deep. When I want to immigration know me and say me go prison and then
away
dip me.
from fucking trouble. Make them say you're afraid because you don't know what you will do and you got straight at you.
Immigration dip me because them not see a reason for me there in that country. Make them dip me for them own. Fine. Now moves for the social media. Then go on. Or when you catch me on road, me and you angry then when you catch me on road. Because if me didn't want to go in the first place, I could have declined and me not go to New York. I was seeing she come in at the picture and I said me not going. So if she never come in, me still would have go. And she still couldn't lick me.
Wally, you have my vote. Me wouldn't go either because
You have my vote too.
this is personal. And you know what I'm glad about, Bella? This Ivany mature, I think.
Very
Because
mature. I love how she talk.
If I been the first blood clot,
You
Ivany.
should have reached up on the phone yesterday.
Thank you. So this Ivany are good. My girl, make them say you're
Because
afraid.
you have a baby to live for.
Make them say you're afraid. You have eyes, you know. You can't just.
Yeah, I
make
mean,
them
I
say
go
you're
to
afraid.
the boxing. If me get a beat up, nothing wrong. The fact you see me believe in myself, me a fight. Nobody now go look on and say, Barney just get beat up. You have to go say, you know, say a girl beat up Barney, but Barney did that angler thing though. You know, just get beat up flat. So can bring a would come out and say them about something and then just crush it. I was gonna go. Me never go. Me there for my life, I find my outfit, my green outfit for go on my boxing. Me can share a message, me tell Arthur everything where we are go. Arthur done make me know say Vanya thinks that Tracy would have come and say we all with an gauge and everybody and make Tracy do something, but Tracy mindset is
Yeah, but we don't know what she do outside. Yeah.